Hi crafters, this is Crafty Savvy and I'm here today to correct a error I made on my last video. I think that was the envelope and card and envelope flip out tutorial that I did, and there was some comments left regarding something I did in the video which caused some confusion, and so I just wanted to first of all say sorry for that. I didn't even realize what I did until I watched it back, or until I read some of the comments anyways. And so I feel really badly about that. So I hope I didn't confuse too many people. So my hopes in this video is to sort of clear up that error that I made and show you guys the right way. So this is the journal that I had shown you in that video, and this was the project. So it was like a flip out that I had in this book. So the envelope is essentially attached to the page, and then you can flip it out and then open up the flap here, and all of the papers for journaling are inside, and then it just tucks back in on itself and closes up. So I realized what I did on the video was, this is the actual element that we made together on that video. So this is the envelope opened up, and then I took all my extra pages and I sewed in this signature to the left side of the flap, on the flap, so on the left side of this element, so that all the pages open up. We put our Velcro dot here and here so that everything would close up nicely, and you would be able to attach this to your journal. So what I did wrong was, we're going to say, for instance, this is our signature that we're preparing to use for our journal. So this is all of my papers, and I sewed them together, so it's just like a signature. And what I did wrong was I put the signature just on there like that. This is what I showed you guys, and I glued the flap down. So duh, that means when I open it, this doesn't flip out, it's just there. It's not the proper way. So what I should have shown you was that this is, again, your signature that you're going to be decorating, and you want to insert your element that you made, because we made it separate, right? You want to find a page within your signature here. So let's just find any page. That's the center. So let's just say I want to attach it to this page. So you can pick any page that you want to put it on. What you're going to do is take that flap that, you know, does not have the Velcro on it. It's just that left side flap. And again, this is the page that we want to do. And let me just grab my tape here, or my glue. Let's see. I don't know if it's going to work. Okay, we'll try to glue it. So we're going to take that page and that flap, and what you want to do is you want to attach that flap to the end of the page. So here, just like this. So you want to put glue right there on the back of that page. So let's show you that again. Okay, I'm going to put glue on my flap this time. I can't believe that I made that mistake. Partly, I don't know what I was thinking. And then I believe that I had said the right thing, and then something happened when I was editing everything. I'm not too sure what happened, but I don't know. And then I read the first comment that came in, and I was like, oh geez, something's not right. And you know, I watched it and watched it. I'm like, what did I do? I couldn't see it. And then I don't know. I just played it back there a little while ago, and I looked at it. I'm like, oh my goodness, I totally attached it in the wrong place, and I feel really, really badly. So this is my blooper fixer-upper video. So I hope it's a little more clear now. So there's our page that we want to attach this element to. There's the flap. I put some glue on it. And so I'm just going to flip that page over here so I can glue it properly. And just put that on there like that. And like I had said in the other video, you might want to use a little bit more of a thicker page, something a little more stable. Like if you had some paper from your, like a paper pad or something like that, because this is just regular copy paper and might be a little light. But you might also want to put a thicker page on top, or, you know, or something to give it a little bit more stability, because like this is just a little bit flimsy. I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys the right thing though. So that's it now. So this is my pages, and then when you come upon this page, this flips out and that opens and all your papers are in there, and that closes back up like that. And you continue to flip, and so there's your where you anchored it down to your page. My initial mistake was taking this thing and actually sticking it right to the binding of the signature, and that wouldn't have made a flip out at all now, would it have? So I hope that's a little bit more clear now. So all you have to do is actually just attach that flap to the inside of one of your pages in your signature, and that is it. So I just want to say a big thank you to those of you who pointed this out to me, and if it wasn't for you guys, I would never have known, confusing everybody along the way. So I hope that's a little clearer now. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I appreciate it, and we will talk to you guys very, very soon, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.